If you manage content in Confluence and want to keep everything organized without all the manual effort, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to auto-label pages in Confluence using its built-in automation. So by the end, you'll be able to automatically tag your content the moment it's published or updated, based on criteria that matter to you. This isn't just a time saver, it keeps your workspace cleaner, helps your team find pages faster, and reduces human error. Let's jump right in and set up this automation. Before we start, remember, this feature is available if you're on the Premium or Enterprise plan for Confluence Cloud. If you're on either of those, you're good to go. First up, accessing automation is simple. Head into the Confluence space where you want to set things up. Look for the cogwheel icon, that's the space settings menu. Inside there, you'll find an option for automation. Click that. It might take a second for the automation dashboard to load, especially if you have a lot of rules already set up. Don't worry if it's your first time here. This space is designed to make automating as friendly as possible. Next, we need to choose our trigger. Think of the trigger as the when for your automation. In most cases, you'll want the rule to run whenever a page is published or updated, so select Page Published. This means every time someone saves a new page or makes changes and hits Publish, the automation is ready to spring into action. Now, adding conditions is optional but really powerful. This is where you tell Confluence specifically, only do this if certain things are true. For example, maybe only the CEO's pages need a special label. You can set the condition so this rule only applies when the user who published is the CEO. Or maybe you only want to label pages with certain topics. Add a condition to check if the page title contains keywords like meeting notes. It's a lot like setting rules for a smart home. If the sun goes down, turn on the lights. In Confluence, if the right person or keyword is involved, apply the label. With our trigger and any conditions set, we move on to what action the rule should take. Here, choose Add Label. You'll be prompted to type the label you want, perhaps something like Meeting Notes, Published by CEO, or whatever tag helps your team. Labels in Confluence work much like hashtags on social media. A tag added here instantly makes the page part of a group, making content easier to search and manage later. After you've got your trigger, your conditions, and your action in place, give your rule a meaningful name. Maybe call it Auto-Label Meeting Notes or whatever reflects its purpose. Naming your rules is important. Imagine having a whole list of Rule 1, Rule 2 that gets confusing fast. Lastly, hit Turn on Rule to enable it. Don't forget this step, saving isn't enough if you want the automation to actually run. From here on, your rule will be quietly working in the background, auto-labeling pages, and helping keep your Confluence space orderly and efficient. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've set up a powerful automation that takes care of repetitive labeling for you. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like and drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help you troubleshoot or offer suggestions. And if you want more practical Confluence tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy automating.